akiamo chere na sang'anyi roche nebinyoro kero kende oyomo bwaba menye kuri nseme lya gotanga mweshimiwa as much as ntubwate igasi ya national government as sector yo burendie go make sure nganyale ko beko bwatia ebine binyoro kero kende mweshimiwa bimanyikanete as obwengi bwa marwa na kira kende a lot of idlers timanye tubuna as a national government na county government njira kimogo kora kwene kenga binyoro bune binyere kwa bikuboka
na tware conversation na no mosi yesio no ramasha over the same issue because of course mama ngo engare ngamaru iganaro gana because you botaka but boni ngamaru ali are kwengwe ngakiri ara kwenge boni and that's number 1 number 2 boniga amaruari are nebinyoro bikwa biko nabo biretani njina gote umure gikomba ne kenyoro genchandete asenye njobolebi you know I'm not even the obolebi buru bonge can you imagine yo monda kuboka mambi ogenda pa tabuka tigasi yao ko itukoligi
yes
ere yani mukaene roko enda ko gosene konda ali yobosie abarageria abana asomia abana ayo mosacha there is nothing you are doing. Tariki komba yo, I've had issues na kiamoche. I've gone there, I've attended funerals there. Pake chinde pake yani the most controversial funeral to akoranda kiamoche. A few of them bali reached out to me. Yes. They can tell. Omo ndao neti obule magakura. Because you are
the main reason abantu kero kenda bakota banga abande basomire kero kenda liboli ndiro ronga murobere kyo batu chia basa ko nyora bangi bali bara orore bakota mayete go soma tu asomire mere moteyo timayete kwatire na project ende yonse mweshimiwa ase binyere bikwene kyanga yo manyene konyara ko bako bayikera elindo bakune at personal level batanga nonye barasa gana urate gwetera somugambi irangiri barasa gaiga obaye mere mo bibere tato gaiga kora bichipara na bintu bindi have you done something with that
tuaroberia manganayi with the national government leaders.
Yes.
And soon ngorol throughout chibarasa you know enegas etokaneti twins lakini bado mbaror and ende ngote mbaralia chana itukoja tuatu you know abana siasa mbare maybe tuare komonyoka na bara kusaba na siasa mbare babate interest ya 2027 koma kanyora ngaboni we are doing the right things ko komboa abantu baitu kurua sibire binyubi bibia bere too much kwanyora ngamparo rota yare barabu batake to kanga abantu baitu kekamanyomro I remember when mo dara komnyoka ne ye di capitalize di korevia ko abantu amaru bamotere butuko bamotera matanga ko na mugaso but nyasaye bunara nyasaye it happened I'm the leader and what that manifesting geringana ki borebi tari boruburaga robo mugambi umuya oborebi ningo buragare obo mugambi ubu you cannot expect omwana bw'umuntu anywa maru omusali omugaka bw'umuntu anywa maru omusali umubu bw'umuntu anywa maru omusali but the program to bwa deneriga onyendiri abantu baitu bancha because these things even abo bikonyareka okonyareka nangoro kiyoko we have got so many things to ranyareka korra abantu baitu ebinge I'm telling you ebinge empowerment I'm one man boni gana angire asenyenju bantu baitu ndaribeza na abayata bakanga kereko they fought for me because no kukwarengo kwani kwa mbaretere change mbona boni gana enda matanga ayamo umonda ngana kingo mugambi ngoresiga you know muno mugambi ngotemande go connect dots ekinako urisigari enako konye go singinako
na sali bakmabwa
I think that so there is something I want I'm always easy go konyo mondo tekete ko hegendere kiribago denga somyo mondo koruba erigiri ensubieka kubwa ko mwensu aliere tayari because yakoligote and mambia sabinsu yende
mweshimiwa ase wodi yago ninde nogo semeringa chinya kitali kiroro go self facility chirinye